I camped overnight at some random beach that I found near a place called Cape Misaki. I actually found this beach by, it wasn't listed on Google Maps or anything like that. I found it by turning on the satellite feature of Google Maps, and then from there I could see that there was kind of nice little section of private beaches, and the only way to get to them was by going through these little paths through farms. Again, weren't listed on the proper maps, so I could only find that through the satellite map. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a little walk up to Cape Misaki, which apparently has a beautiful view, and then have some breakfast and go from there. All right, let's do that. Misaki just means cape. It's Maeda Misaki, Cape Maeda. It's very beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed.